Hello everyone, I'm Pavani. Welcome to the session of Requirements Engineering. Before going to see in detail, first we need to understand the terms requirements and engineering. The general meaning of requirement is a thing that is needed or wanted. Engineering is a process of creating a new product or a system. Both combined together, requirements engineering is a process of gathering the software requirements from client, analyze and document. Now we'll see the process of requirements engineering. It is a four-step process which includes feasibility study, requirements gathering, software requirements specification and software requirements validation. Now let us see each of these processes in detail. In feasibility study, analyst does a detailed study of high-level requirements gathered from the client and they will check whether the desired system and its functionality are feasible to develop. Analyst will consider the time, cost, and technical constraints in feasibility study. The output of this phase should be a feasibility study report that should contain enough comments and recommendations for management about whether the project should be undertaken or not. The next step in the process is requirements gathering. In this step, analysts and engineers communicate with the client and end users to know their ideas and what the software should provide and which features they want the software to include. In software requirement specification phase, SRS document will be created by system analyst after the requirements are gathered from various stakeholders. SRS should come up with the following features. User requirements should be expressed in natural language. Technical requirements should be expressed in structured language which is used inside the organization. Design description should be written in pseudocode. The last step in the requirements engineering process is requirements validation. In this phase, requirements can be checked or validated against the following conditions. If the requirements can be practically implemented, if they are valid as per the functionality and domain of software, if there are ambiguities, if they are complete, and if they can be demonstrated. In this session, we have seen requirements and engineering and requirements engineering process and the phases involved in requirements engineering process.